for this afternoon and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for the extended period Monday through Saturday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time.
What is that?
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bentleyville, or 7 miles southeast of Washington, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Bentleyville, Ellsworth, Cokeburg, Scenery Hill. This includes Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 25. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is NOAA Weather.